South Campus.
Kamusta
Hello
po?
sa inyo.
Thank you for tuning in. Of course, the action you're watching is live. Ito po ang Shakey's V-League. Service reception by UST result in a thundering spike by Pano. Wow!
Again, alam mo wala pa sabi. Parang right in front kung may nangyari to. Talagang
Tingnan mo yung set ni Koyuka nga. Talagang eksakto yung paglagay niya ng bola even if she did not toss it.
saka si Joyce Pano, yung kanyang attack, yung kanyang approach, ang ganda. Makikita mo malakas na yung spike niya eh. Tamaan niya yung bola. Yung sa approach pa lang niya kasi before she goes for the kill, naka-letter C siya patalikod. Alam mo yung talagang...
Letter C? Ano
letter C na patalikod. Makikita mo yung power eh.
Naka-arch
That's
talaga
where
yung
you
likod
get
niya.
your power. Ganda.
Yan ang ideal form kung
Yes.
mga nagpa-practice mag-volleyball dyan, mga nagta-training. Panoorin nyo doon si Joyce at Pano. Okay, there was an error in the dig of UST doon sa last action, pero binawian ni Pano. Wow!
Okay na lang na medyo 60 Venus, Bernal, and Joyce Pano is just stepping up for her.
Akala ng mga fans ng UST ang absence ni Bernal ay magiging malaking factor sa opensa. Well, Joyce Pano has come to play. Lat setting it up.
And she plays well.
And she plays well. Service touches the net. It's still good.
Ayan, si Gutierrez again. Parang point.
Yun ang importante. 3-all. We are tied. Lat setting it up. Espolong. Nothing there. Koyukang. Nice drop shot by Koyukang.
Walang nangyaring masama. Pano serving the ball. And given to Descalzota with the back spike.
The backline spike is received easily by UST. Ito na naman, atake na naman ng San Sebastian. Altovar, nice drop shot. Nahuli pa rin ng UST.
Time to Montehar. Set that time by the setter. So, point given to UST.
Service reception is good. Here's the spike. Ball save. Koyukang setting it up for Sister Deer. And the Sister connects.
I believe it at sumasabak na sa mga gantong klaseng labanan.
Good experience for her.
First setter, si Mayo Elena of San Sebastian is out. So, medyo naninibago pa siguro sila dito sa bago nilang setter na si Ana Lat.
Oh, the ball is saved and kept in play.
But
Pero,
it's fast. Ito naman niya eh. Siguro, nagulat lang siya dahil of all sa kalaban pa naman, UST pa naman of all the games.
That's right. Well, ganyan ka talaga magkaka-experience. Koyukang, received by Lat.
Double.
Rica Gutierrez. Service reception is good.
Descalzota.
Disheartened sila ng konti dun sa first set na talo nila, but that's no reason not to step it up, no? All the more, kailangan nila mag-step up ngayon, but it's US.
What an athlete really is.
Oh, that's
diba?
right.
True athlete. So, ito, another set by Lat.
Bumubuhay lang.
Kakaiba, medyo na overset, hindi na naabutan ni Panos. Making a run.
Cruz with the reception. Pano, oh! Pano is just leaving everyone in their jaws. Drop to the
Ano
ground.
hindi tayo mapagsalita sa lakas ng palo.
Grabe. Pati yung crowd dito napapa...
Oh,
Wow! Kung narinig niyo po yan, parang...
You see? At saka down the line.
She loves that down the line spike. Another service error by
Ergin
Balse.
Balse.
Oo, si Balse has given away 2 or 3 points already sa mga service errors niya.
Here is Long Genie.
Okay, let's watch the UST.
I missed you! I missed you! But Karen Koyukang and Vida Gutierrez.
The spiker jumped up too early. Only to find out sa likod pala ni Shimola. Sinet yung bola. At,
siguro they were going for a quick. Akala niya quick, pero timing ang binigay. Differential spike ang binigay ng
alam mo, itong si Paano bibigyan natin to ng award for this game? The spiker of the game.
Lahat mo sira ng momentum. Momentum na yung
She's doing on the swing end, she's doing on the service end. Paano just playing an all-around great game para sa Lady Tigers. At dahil doon, ang score natin ay 16-12. Magaling ka mag-variate ng spikes and drop balls.
tama yan.
Yung parang every other action ngayon, spike. Next,
Players. Yung hindi lang basta palo lang ng palo.
backline spike is received well by UST. Ito na yun si Kate Koyukang. Reception is good. Back and forth we go. Blocked very well by Montehar. Koyukang
Kate again.
Altovar is setting it up. Ito ngayon.
Linya sa center line.
Of course, sa center line, pwedeng umapak pero hindi pwede lumampas ang buong paa. And 4. Pero ang taas ng naaabot niya, almost at par with Descal Sota. Rica Gutierrez. The San Sebastian attack, drop shot. At lifting na naman.
Bigyan niya ng bola. And that's my courtside report. Back to you, Mosey and JC.
Mosey comment, pinagalitan na naman ni coach si Ann.
Kita natin kanina pa si Descal Sota. When she spikes, she makes the point. So ibigay mo na ibigay sa kanya. Kasi ibig sabihin she's having a good game.
That's right. Here we go with the UST attack. Koyukang. 20-16 is our score.
Kahit mapapansin mo, kahit maraming nagagawang mali ang San Sebastian, ang score natin. So, kailangan mo ibigay dun sa mga spikers mo, lalo na with the likes of Descal Sota, Escolong, Montehar. You have to make use of them.
Flat. Si Descal Sota, yun ang gusto ng coaching staff.
Itaas mo lang yung bola dyan, nakakatawin na yan
Uubusin nila yan. Pero itong si... that is an error you do not want to see.
Surfing.
Well, it's, you know who's busy. Itong San Sebastian trying to get themselves back into this game. And Ana Lat now serving for San Sebastian. Let's watch Pano in action. Lat saving the ball. Espolong setting it up.
Gagawin niya na.
Kung pwede lang yan. That's where your star player comes in.
Here. Lat. Montehar again.
Montehar galit sa bola.
Talagang.
Ito, isa pa galit sa bola. lahat sila galit sa bola. Here we go, back and forth. The action. Here we go.
Gagawin niya na.
Kung pwede lang yan. That's where your star player comes in.
Kita mo naman yan.